LexEatEveryone, welcome to my channel. For this video, I will be featuring secret recipe in One Ayala, Makati. But before anything else, I invite all of you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Secret Recipe is a Malaysian cafe chain managed by the Bistro Group here in the Philippines. It operated once in the Philippines back in the 2000s, but closed shop a few years later. It opened once again in early 2024. Secret Recipe is a cafe that specializes in cakes and pastries. Aside from the cakes and pastries, Secret Recipe also has savory Malaysian and Western dishes. Here is their menu. I ordered the Malay fried rice with chicken satay, and for dessert, I had their chocolate lava cake. My honest take on the food. Malay fried rice with chicken satay tasted just okay to me. Could have been better if they added more flavor into both the rice and the satay. Portion is not that big, but it's already okay if you're not a big eater like me. Chocolate lava cake was better and makes for a good dessert. What really redeemed this meal was the chocolate lava cake. here is their tray of their specialty cakes and pastries. You could buy either a slice or as a whole to take for those special occasions. Thank you for watching.